The 19-year-old man accused of shooting a Fort Lupton police officer tonight charged with attempted murder. Good evening, I'm Shannon Og.
And I'm Jacqueline Allen. Sergeant Christopher Pelton was shot in the jaw last week. He is out of the ICU right now, and doctors say he's improving.
The suspect accused of shooting him made his first court appearance today. Lance Hernandez was at the hearing. The suspect also was shot, Lance, and still is not walking on his own.
Well, the 19-year-old still recovering from injuries suffered during that apparent shootout with police. Matthew Cotter apparently having a difficult time coming to terms with a relationship breakup. Now, according to the arrest affidavit, he admitted firing at police 3 times.
19-year-old Matthew Cotter wheeled into court for his first advisement. He's accused of trying to kill a police officer. The suspect was at his ex-girlfriend's house in Fort Lupton December 2nd. Police say he threatened to harm her and then himself. As officers arrived, Cotter allegedly ran behind a neighbor's fence and fired 3 shots. One hit Sergeant Christopher Pelton in the face. Pelton was critically wounded. The officer, shown here with his children, now out of intensive care. A GoFundMe account set up to help Pelton with his recovery. Today, the judge issued a mandatory protection order against Cotter,
restraining you from harassing, molesting, intimidating, retaliating against or tampering with any witness or the alleged victim to the acts charged.
Cotter said he understood everything the judge said.
You have been charged with 2 counts of criminal attempt to commit first-degree murder, a Class 2 felony. If convicted, it's punishable by 16 to 48 years in the Colorado Department of Corrections, plus an additional 5 years of mandatory parole.
Cotter also charged with 3 counts of attempted first-degree assault. That's 3 counts of first-degree assault and 1 count of attempted first-degree assault. He is due back in court on February 19th. Lance Hernandez, Denver 7.